Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. My most respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your host Sheikh Khokhar is at your service. Today I am talking about good, excellent companionship. Good company is very sweet, is like a perfume. Bad company, like a smoke. Allah Ta'ala in the Quran Majid command us, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu taqullah wa kunu ma'a sadiqin. O believers, fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, don't commit any sin, and have good company. Be with sadiqin, those people who are truthful in action, in speech, in talk, in behavior. So, according to one Hadith Pak, Prophet said, good company is like a perfume shop, and bad company like a shop of a blacksmith. If you go to perfume shop, you will be perfumed automatically, even if you don't buy it. In the same, if you go to a blacksmith shop, even you don't get any job done, but still you will feel smoke and stuffy nose. Even maybe some spark come on your clothes also. Therefore, we should be very careful. We should be check our friends, who are our friends. Be watchful. Few quality I tell about good friendship. Number one, the person should have a knowledge of the deen. His aqidah, basic doctrine should be correct, free from shirk and bid'at. And he should possess good amal, be punctual of article of Islam, like salat, like fasting, like hajj, like zakat, etc. He should be very good in the dealing, the business, in transaction. He should be very careful about halal and haram. He should be a humble person, not arrogant. Helping person, helping the poor people. He should have love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, love of the family, love of the fellow Muslim, even non-Muslim. His behavior should be excellent. Also, he should not love dunya too much. He should love akhirat, life hereafter, more than life of the dunya. His goal should be to have beautiful akhirat. He should be a patient person, patient, sabr and shakr, full of gratitude. He should be smiling person, not complaining person. These are few beautiful habits. You are wise enough, you can judge it. When you sit such person company, you feel comfortable. You feel ease. You enjoy the company. So, be company of such people. We should have company of our ulama ikram, mashayikh uzzam, holy people. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives tawfiq, we should go to Mecca Mukarramah, enjoy the company of Baitullah, company of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By zikr Allah, you can get the company of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Go to Medina Munawwara, do itikaf there, stay at least 8 days, stay in the company of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best company, the excellent company of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Subhanallah. In the Ramadan, you can get the company of good people. Do itikaf 10 days. Do itikaf 10 days. You will get good company. Company of the Hufaz, ulama ikram. Read good books. Read Quran Majid. The Talawat of Quran Majid will bless you good company of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with company, with good company until last day. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with His mercy. And our end should be with La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Ameen, summa ameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.